Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Nisi, the beauty icon. So here I'm wearing one of my full units. This is like a wine red full unit. It covers everything, so you don't have to worry about leaving hair out or anything. It fits snug to the head. Once we have your measurements, we can put everything together. The only difference is in person, I'm able to really taper it close to your head, but when I send it off, it's not as close because I want that safety net. So I don't cut it too close because everybody's head is not created equal. So needless to say, this is a light wig I'm wearing. Feels so good, so good. First of all, guys, I wanted you to know that you don't have to look at alopecia like a death sentence. Even though it comes with phases of hair loss, you don't have to have a spirit to give up or feel like there's nothing else that can be done. I created these units with you in mind because I too have very fine hair. I always wanted to change my hair, but the stress of glue or sew-ins would always make my hair thinner. So I created these units to give you that versatility where you don't have to worry about stressing your hair out because of these styles. These units are created just to clip on and go. That gives you that stylish edge and pizzazz that makes you stand out amongst the rest and still look good. So let's get into this unit. This is the Sweet Harmony half bob with multiple colors. So they say girls with blonde hair like to have more fun. I think they're right. This is a mushroom unit and it has the full bang, and you see it has dark roots in the middle, and it has blonde, the number 27 and 613 mixed in with it. I like this unit as well because it's light over the ears, but it gives you that full look, which can be a conservative look or a playful look depending on how you want to wear it. So you know, if this is your look, this might be the one for you. Another good thing about these units, you can customize it to the way you like it with your own color, your own style, and it's easy to keep up. So what if you're not a blonde girl and you just like the natural colors? Black, this is your unit. Now this one is a full bang unit as well, but it's not as thick as the last bang unit. This one in particular, I like this one because you have more movement in the front. And you can comb it to the side if you want, put a part in it, and wear it off the forehead if you want to. This unit also is very light. It also is breathable. I like the not to be so hot on top of the head. And that was another reason I created this particular unit. I don't know. I'm a bang girl. I like bangs. But some people might not be able to wear bangs because they do get you hot on hot days. But if you don't want to wear your hair on your forehead, these units are great to wear them on the side. You can even wave this unit if you like the actual waves. So I would definitely recommend that if you like the natural colors, staying in the black family, the off black or the browns, this will be your unit for all my natural colored hair girls. And what I appreciate even more, and I know you would as well, is that when you put these units on, it blends right into your own hair. There's no lines of detection that can expose your thinning hair. Okay, so this is the one that has full coverage for the ladies who don't want any of their hair exposed at all. Now this is the way that I apply these units, only because it sits better in place once I apply it, and I don't have to worry about untucking the hair that falls under the cap. So this one is good for those who don't want any of their hair exposed at all. This is my full coverage unit. You don't have to worry about gelling it down, braiding it back, slicking it down, or anything. Just pull it back off the head and put your unit on top of it. Now, if you're going to use these units all the time, I would advise you to either gel it down if it's not braidable, or braid it down if it is braidable. And that would maintain the growth of your hair while wearing these units. Thanks for tuning into my video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit your post notification buttons for more updates. Also, do not forget to share it. For those who want to contact me, I have a link in the description box. You guys gotta look in the description box. Everything is created under that link. So I'm gonna put the link in the description box for anything you need. If y'all have any questions, email me, or just email me, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Thank you, you guys. Be blessed. Bye.